Morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Today's thought of the day is when you know better, you do better. When you know better, you do better. It means that people often make mistakes because they don't know the right way to do things. Once they understand, they can change their actions and do better. It means that people often make mistakes because they don't know the right way to do things. मतलब जब हम किसी चीज़ को अच्छी तरह से सीख लेते हैं तो हम और अच्छे से कर पाते हैं और यदि हम नहीं सीखते या नहीं जानते कैसे करना है तो हम कुछ भी सही से नहीं कर सकते और बार बार गलती करते रहते हैं. So, the thought of the day is when you know better, you do better. Children, today we will again revise chapter number 5, People Who Help Us. And at the end, we will do the textual exercise that is in Canopy textbook. So let's get started. We have already studied about cobbler, postman or postwoman, doctor, teacher, policeman or policewoman, tailor and shopkeeper. They are our helpers. They help us. Now look at this picture. Who is this person? He is a cobbler. How does this cobbler help us? Cobbler makes and mends our shoes. Cobbler makes and mends our shoes. Look at this picture. He is a postman. How does postman help us? Postman brings letters for us. Postman brings letters for us. Now look at this picture. He is a doctor. How does doctor help us? Doctor treats and cures a sick person. Doctor treats and cures a sick person. Look at this picture. All of you know? Yes, she is a teacher. How does a teacher help us? Teacher helps us to learn in school. Teacher helps us to learn in school. In this picture, you can see a policeman catching a thief. So how does a policeman or policewoman help us? Policeman or policewoman keep our neighborhood safe. Policeman or policewoman keep our neighborhood safe. She is a tailor. How does a tailor help us? Tailor stitches new clothes for us. Tailor stitches new clothes for us. He is a shopkeeper. How does a shopkeeper help us? Shopkeeper sells us things that we need every day. Shopkeeper sells us things that we need every day. Okay, children, I hope you all have understood about our helpers, the people who help us. So let's start with the textual exercise. All of you turn to page number 27 in your Canopy book. Have you all turned to page number 27? Okay, let's begin. Think and answer. Think and answer. आपको सोच के जवाब लिखना है. So question number 1. Who helps you with your lessons at school? आपको स्कूल में पढ़ने के लिए कौन मदद करता है? I know all of you know it. And the answer is teacher. Who helps you with your lessons at school? And the answer is teacher. Number 2. Who helps you with your lessons at home? आपको घर में कौन पढ़ाता है? You can write mother or father. Whoever helps you with your lessons at home. आपको पढ़ने के लिए मदद जो भी कोई करते हैं घर पे वो लिखना है. Mother or father. You can also write grandfather or grandmother. Whoever helps you with your lessons at home. Number 3. Who takes you to school every day? आपको स्कूल कौन छोड़ने आता है? Father or mother, or also you can write bus driver if you are coming by bus. Number 4. Who rings the bell in school at the end of each class? After each period, who rings the bell? And the answer is peon. Number 5. Who keeps your school clean? And the answer is cleaner. Who keeps your school clean? And the answer is cleaner. Let's go to the next question. Match the people with what they do. One has been done for you. See number 1, the cobbler mends our shoes. This is already done for you. Okay, children. Now the next one, the teacher. What does the teacher do? How does the teacher help you? And the answer is teacher helps us learn. So you have to match it. The teacher helps us learn. Next, the postman. How does the postman help you? The postman brings our letters. Yes, you have to match it again. The postman brings our letters. Next, the shopkeeper. How does the shopkeeper help you? The shopkeeper sells us things. The shopkeeper sells us things. So you have to match the shopkeeper with sells us things. The doctor helps us get well when we are ill. The doctor helps us get well when we are ill. The tailor, how does the tailor help us? The tailor stitches our clothes. The tailor stitches our clothes. And the last one, the police keeps the neighborhood safe. Okay? The police keep the neighborhood safe. Children, I hope you have all properly matched the answer. Okay, children? Now the next question. Write the names of 4 people who help you at school and at home. That means you have to write who help you at school and who help you at home. Right, children? Now let us see. At school, teachers. Number 1, teachers, cleaners, peons, and security guards. Teachers, they help you with your lessons at school. Cleaners, they keep your school clean. Peon, what does he do? How does he help you? He helps you to know that the class is getting over and the class is getting started. Okay? So he rings the bell in the school at the end of each class. And the security guards, they stand near the gate and keep you safe. Now at home, the people who help you at home, that is the milkman. The milkman brings milk for you at home. The postman brings you letter at home. Next is the vegetable vendor. How does vegetable vendor help you? He brings vegetable at your home. And the last one is paper boy. Paper boy helps you to get newspaper at home. Okay, children? Now the next question. Tick the correct word. The first question. If James wants to buy a pencil, he will go to a tailor और शॉपकीपर. जेम्स को यदि पेंसिल खरीदना है तो उसे कहाँ जाना पड़ेगा? टेलर के पास या शॉपकीपर के पास? एंड द आंसर इज शॉपकीपर. Yes, because shopkeeper sells us things. Okay, children? So the answer is shopkeeper. If James wants to buy a pencil, he will go to a shopkeeper. Number 2. If Sana wants a new dress stitched, she will go to a tailor or cobbler. यदि सना को नया ड्रेस सिलवाना है तो उसे किसके पास जाना पड़ेगा? टेलर के पास या फिर कॉबलर के पास? She will go to a tailor. Why? Because tailor stitches our new clothes. And what does a cobbler do? Cobbler mends our shoes. So the answer is tailor. If Sana wants a new dress stitched, she will go to a tailor. Question number 3. If Jaspal is not feeling well, he will go to a teacher or doctor? He will go to a doctor. Why? Because doctor gives medicine and cures a sick person. If Jaspal is not feeling well, he will go to a doctor. Number 4. If Kavya wants to learn to read, she will go to a cobbler or teacher. And the answer is, I hope everybody knows it. What is the answer? The answer is teacher. If Kavya wants to learn to read, she will go to a teacher and not to the cobbler, because teacher helps you with your lessons at school. Number 5. If Beena wants her slippers mended, she will go to a doctor or cobbler. She will go to a cobbler, because cobbler mends our shoes and slippers. Children, I hope you have got all the answers and marked it properly. Now next question. Complete the crossword. The clues given below will help you. So children, here is a crossword. You have to complete it, and also the clue is given. So across. The person who catches thieves. जो चोरों को पकड़ते हैं, वो कौन होता है? Policeman. So you write in the crossword box. See the box over there, it is written number 1 and written P over there. Okay, number 1 P. So write over there policeman. P-O-L-I-C, E is given, M-A-N is given. You have to write over there policeman. Number 2. The person who stitches our clothes. जो हमारे कपड़े सिलते हैं. Who is the person who stitches our clothes? Right. He is a tailor. So you have to write tailor. See number 2, tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. Number 3. The person who helps us learn things. जो हमें सीखने में मदद करते हैं. The person who helps us learn things. And the answer is teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. So see number 3, teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. Now number 4. The person who tells us what to do when we are ill. जब हम बीमार पड़ते हैं तो वो हमें बताते हैं कि आपको क्या करना चाहिए, और वो हमको मेडिसिन भी देते हैं ठीक होने के लिए. So what is the answer? The person who tells us what to do when we are ill. And the answer is doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. See number 4. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Now next is down. Down means you have to write from up to down. Question number 1. The person who brings our letters. Number 1. The person who brings our letters. You can see what is the answer. The answer is postman. P-O-S-T-M-A-N. Postman. Now see the boxes over here. From up to down. That is number 1. P-O-S-T-M-A-N. Postman. Then number 2. The person who mends our shoes. जो हमारे फटे हुए जूतों को ठीक करते हैं. Mends our shoes. The answer is Cobbler. So again you see the boxes. Cobbler. Cobbler. Children, look at the answers properly and write correctly in your textbook. I hope children, all of you have understood and completed the exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.